Consider the following expression. A minus 2, B 2, C 10, D minus 10. The correct answer is A minus 2. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A x less than or equal to 3. B x greater than or equal to 3. C x 3. D all real numbers. The correct answer is A x less than or equal to 3. Question 4. The derivative of sin x with respect to x is A cos x, B cos x, C sin x, D sin x. The correct answer is A cos x. Consider the following expression. 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 A 0.1, B 0.3, C 0.4, D 0.7. The correct answer is B 0.3. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 9. The inverse of the matrix A 0 0 B A B is not equal to 0 is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 10. The value of sin superscript to x plus cos superscript to x is A 0, B 1, C 2, D depends on x. The correct answer is B 1. Consider the following expression. A 2, B 4, C 6, D 8. The correct answer is B 4. Consider the following expression. A 1 0, B 0 1, C 0 0, D 1 1. The correct answer is C 0 0. Question 13. If A is a square matrix, then A point adjective A equals A I B 0, C vertical bar A vertical bar I D vertical bar A vertical bar. The correct answer is C vertical bar A vertical bar I. Consider the following expression. A 0, B 1, C 2, D infinite. The correct answer is B 1. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is AE plus C. Question 16. The angle between the vectors I and j is A. 0 degrees, B. 45 degrees, C. 60 degrees, D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is D. 90 degrees. Consider the following expression. A. 30 degrees, B. 45 degrees, C. 60 degrees, D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is B. 45 degrees. Question 18. The mean of first and natural numbers is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A. 0.6, B. 0.4, C. 1.6, D. 0. The correct answer is B. 0.4. Question 20. The distance between the points 1, 2 and 4, 6 is A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. The correct answer is C. 5. Consider the following expression. A is 10, B 20, C 5, D 2.5. The correct answer is B 20. Question 22. The derivative of ln x is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 23. The value of cos 60 degrees is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 24. If a line has slope 0, it is A. Vertical, B. Horizontal, C. Inclined, D. Parallel to y-axis. The correct answer is B. Horizontal. Question 25. The probability of getting ahead when tossing a fair coin is. Consider the following expression. 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 Question 27. If vectors A and B are perpendicular, then A point B equals A is 1, B 1, C 0, D vertical bar A vertical bar vertical bar B vertical bar. The correct answer is C 0. Question 28. The solution set of x3 is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A even, B odd, C neither even nor odd, D periodic. The correct answer is B odd. Question 30. If A and B are mutually exclusive events, then P, AB, is ACE 1, B 0, C P, A, plus P, B, D P, A, P, B. The correct answer is B 0. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Question 32. The equation of x-axis is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A. Constant. B. Linear. C. Quadratic. D. Exponential. The correct answer is A. Constant. Question 34. The angle between identical vectors is A. 0 degrees. B. 45 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 180 degrees. The correct answer is A. 0 degrees. Question 35. The value of tan 45 degrees is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Consider the following expression. A. 0. B. 1. C. 5. D. 25. The correct answer is C. 5. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B0. Question 38. The value of cos superscript to x sin superscript to x is equal to A. Sin 2x. B. Cos 2x. C. Tan 2x. D. Swan. The correct answer is B. Cos 2x. Question 39. The shortest distance between two parallel lines is measured along a line which is A. Parallel to them. B. Intersecting them. C. Perpendicular to them. D. Inclined to them. The correct answer is C. Perpendicular to them. Consider the following expression. A. True. B. False. C. Only from left. D. Only from right. The correct answer is B. False. Question 41. The maximum value of sin x is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Question 42. If a matrix has two identical rows, its determinant is ACE1, B1, C0, D2. The correct answer is C0. Question 43. The equation of a circle with center at origin and radius r is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A. ln vertical bar x vertical bar plus C. Question 45. If A and B are independent events, then P, AB, is A P, A plus P, B. B P, A, P, B. C P, A, P, B. D 0. The correct answer is C P, A, P, B. Question 46. The direction ratios of the x-axis are A 0, 1, 0, B 1, 0, 0, C 0, 0, 1, D 1, 1, 1. The correct answer is B 1, 0, 0. Question 47. The derivative of E is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is BE. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A 0. Question 49. The value of sin 0 degrees is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A 0. Question 50. The distance of the point 0, 0, 0 from itself is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A 0. Consider the following expression. A. Mutually exclusive. B. Independent. C. Equally likely. D. Complementary. The correct answer is B. Independent. Consider the following expression. A 1, B 2, C 0, D 3. The correct answer is B 2. Question 53. The maximum value of vertical bar sin x plus cos x vertical bar is A 1, B 2, C 2, D 0. The correct answer is B 2.